One thing that a lot of traders are using in their trading is the so-called patterns. Today we take a special look on one of the most famous patterns in trading, the so-called Rising Wedge. What is a pattern, what is a Rising Wedge, and how you can use it in your trading? All these points we will focus in this video. So guys, if you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I would say let's go. So guys, first of all, we should focus the question, what is a pattern? So a pattern is like a repeating formation in a chart. So that means that there is like a repeating of chart movement in the chart, in which you can see like a formation, and there you can focus a lot of patterns. So that means that because of your like history data, these formation have like a higher percentage to like predict the next movement. So, and one of these movements or one of these patterns are the so-called Rising Wedge. What is a Rising Wedge? I will show you now. So guys, here one example of like a typical movement of Bitcoin or for any other assets. We are coming here, if you can see, from a like uptrend. So that means we have a like upcoming movement here. After this, you can see that the market is going like this. And here you can see that all the time we are building here higher highs at every point here. And we are building all the time higher lows. And this is like a typical formation of a Rising Wedge. So if I see a movement like this, what I'm doing here is to go with my trend line and connect first of all the high points here. After this, take another trend line and connect all the higher lows here. What I like focus on at this point also is to like color this line in green, because you can also like trade in this situation here with long trades on all these points. And what is here like very typical for Rising Wedge is like a movement like this. We are coming up here, then we have a like upcoming consolidation here. We make a lot of like liquidity on this point here, and after this the market is falling down. So this is like a bearish pattern. There are a lot of like different patterns also. We have like bullish patterns. For example, there is like a falling wedge, which is like a bullish pattern. And here we have like a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. So guys, if you like me to show you some other patterns here, just let me know in the comments. So now we have like a better overview what a rising wedge is. So all in all, this point here is our rising wedge. This is our pattern. And this pattern comes a lot of time in the chart, and mostly of them have like the following point, that we are going down here. There's a higher percentage that after a rising wedge, the market is coming down. So guys, after we take a look at the theory, I would say let's go to the chart. So guys, we are now here in Bitcoin, and what is very important to say at this point is that you can use the patterns on any chart. So it don't depend if you are in the Forex market, in the indices, in the crypto or whatever, you can use these patterns on any asset. This is very important to say here. So what we see now here in the Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is coming from an like an uptrend here, like a push, and we have like an upgoing consolidation here. So what we see, we make our first high here, and then all the time we see like higher highs. Next to this, we build our first low here, and next to them all we have here our higher lows. And this is like our alert that we are building here a rising wedge. So what I'm doing in a situation like this is to go again here with my trend line, focus on my first high and connect it with the other ones. This one should be now here in red. Then I go with my second trend line. I mark here on my low points like this. Then I make it here in green, and now I see here my rising wedge. And I would say let's check how the market would going after this rising wedge. If we take a look here, you can see that the market is like perfectly going down, and this situation, for example, would bring us around like around 1.4% here in our short trade. And this is like a perfect example how a rising wedge will work. So guys, that's it about today's pattern session. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like it. If then smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you have any question or want me to like focus other patterns, just let me know in the comments, and I would say goodbye.